Hello, welcome to the channel guys. Patel from Australia. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please make sure to subscribe the channel for a Desi Jugaad. Yes guys, today I'm here to explain some cost reduction strategy for your own home. Yes guys, so I already uploaded a couple of videos how to decor your internal wall. On the top you can see, you can press that button. How can you make your the TV wall very beautiful way, like artificial grass. You can also click on this link and you can find out. Yes, today I'm going to do on the back side, you can see the little wood kind of the the patio. That's I'm going to do a vanish. If you see that it's not it's a color difference because of the weather. So what we are going to do, we are going to do that ourselves. So I'm going to explain what kind of material required. You can easily find out from the Bunnings or any local store from the Australia. But look guys, you can do if you have time from yourself, trust me, rather than calling a tradies. Look, tradie also can do your job, but it's all about the money. I don't want to spend too much money at this stage, but yes, that's what I'm doing myself. I'm going to explain step by step. Let's go, follow that. Okay, so guys, step one, the first of all, what we have to do is to cleaning the process, right? There will be a special the cleaner will be available into the market, but look, I'm going to use the sand grit paper and then easily can find from the Bunning shop. In this description I'm going to write down the brand name, so you can have that one. The first step will be with this grid we have to make sure to just clean. You can see that to make very surface needs to be little bit smooth. So that's our step one, and that we are going to do now. Oh, sorry guys, that is actually step two. Like once you clean, you can see now we already cleaned this part, but now we are going to use actually clear vanish timber. So what you need only two things. One is a brush, you need a pan and chemicals, and you need one person. If you not handy with the tools, yes, they can be a very handy. Look, I'm going to utilize a one free manpower who is going to do the volunteer job for me. So it is actually very easy. Just dip your brush and just smoothly apply, very nice gentle way, without any damaging your wall paints. Look, it's not a science rocket. You can do very slowly, but remember, you need to apply either 2 or 3 coats. You need to dry maybe 6 or 8 hours based on the chemical of vanish. Just go through the description on the each label. I'm going to leave 6 hours, so probably maybe even night time or probably tomorrow we are going to apply the second coat. But yes, definitely end result will be awesome. Stay tuned. Okay, there will be step 3, and definitely I'm going to explain before we start. Okay, thank you. Hello. Yes, a final step, which is just subscribe the channel and press the like button. So guys, you can see over here it's been done now. How fantastic, huh? Very cost effective. You can see that, very nice. Yes guys, so please make sure to follow the process. It's very easy, you can see that it's not a rocket science guys, trust me. And it will take only couple of hours, 6 to 8 hours to dry the first coat. You can apply a second or third coat. I did only 2 coats, but it's look very fantastic job at the moment. Look, I'm satisfied with the job which I have done. Guys, please make sure to follow this channel and press the like button and share, and yes, please make sure to comment so I can make some kind other videos. Yes, there are a couple of videos I have made. You can see and check in my video gallery. But yes, stay tuned. Patel from Australia. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Love you guys.
with